Do you know how big this thing looks like? He's busy cutting it off, chopping it off one by one, clearing everything out. One giant grasshopper, but this grasshopper is a vegetarian grasshopper. Eat from the fresh side. Grinding it slowly, making sure that it chops everything off. This is not just a small one, but a very giant one. Just busy feeding, but very, very big. Have a very, very, very strong jaw that is using to clear off this, chop everything off. Everything goes in. Make sure that the whole big leaf will finish. Look how big this thing is. I don't know this kind of species of grasshopper, but I've seen more than millions of species. But this is my first time seeing this kind of species. It's rare, you don't see it anytime. Just look at the wonders. How it's going to chop this thing completely. It take hours to chop it off finish. Make sure it finishes. Look at how big this leaf is. But this young man here is ready to finish it off and chop it off completely. Oh, that someone is hungry. Someone didn't eat food last night. I'll wait a little time to finish it off. Big, ugly looking grasshopper. It's ready to finish everything off. Looks like a monster grasshopper. A devil species with thorns, with armor shade on its neck. It's like wearing an army proof, vest proof, bulletproof on its neck. Clearing off this particular leaf. Busy cutting off what he knows how to cut. Very, very unique. Oh, yummy. Chopping it off like never before. Busy cut it. Cutting out, chopping it off like never before. Wow. Okay, I think I'll stop here. Let him feed. Let this army looking ugly thing feed. Very big. The body is turning green, everything is turning pure green.